Do you want to be able to fix your email notifications in iPhone? Well, then you have come to the right video, because I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So the first step is going to be to actually go into our settings app. So you need to first go to your settings app on iPhone, and as you can see, you should now be taken to this page right here. What we're going to do in here is to just scroll down and click where it says notifications in here. So click on notifications, because then you should be taken here, as you can see. So now we're just going to scroll down and find the mail app in here. So I'm just going to take this one as an example for the first for the first mail basically, but keep watching. I'm going to show you a couple of more steps. So basically, as you can see, I have allowed all notifications on this mail right here, but if you don't want to have any notifications whatsoever, then just turn this one off, as you can see. But you can also click where it says customize notifications if you want to, or if you can just turn it back on in here and customize it like basically in here, as you can see. And basically when you're done, you can just close like this settings app. But what you can also do, by the way, is to go back to this page and find if you have, for example, Gmail on your phone. I'm just going to scroll up and click here, as you can see, because I do have Gmail app as well. So if you're using Gmail and you want to fix the notifications on your Gmail app, then you can do basically the exact same thing. You can click here, for example, to turn it on if you want to, or you can of course customize it in here as well and turn it off if you don't want to have any notifications whatsoever on your Gmail. Make sure also that your phone is not set on do not disturb, for example, because if you do have do not disturb, then you will not get any notifications whatsoever. So basically, as of right now, this is probably the best way to fix notifications on your iPhone for email. So let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also please leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you an awesome day.